This is a great example of bolting. That's what we call it. It basically is getting ready to put on seed. It's done all that it's supposed to do. It has supplied us with a lot of delicious kale to eat over the winter months. And so it's just ready to go to seed. Can you still eat these leaves? Yes, you can still eat them, but some people think they're a little tough. Some people, think they're a little bitter at this point, but you can still eat it. And of course, kale is not the only plant that will bolt. Most of your Brassica plants in that group, they will bolt, such as your broccoli, your turnip greens, your collards. All of those type of plants will bolt. Even lettuce will bolt. And of course, once a plant starts to bolt, you really can't stop it. There's not any kind of chemical you can put out there to make it stop bolting or whatever. Once this process starts, it's going to complete. So at that point, that's when I pull them up in my garden and send them over to the compost pile.